Why don't you put your hand in there, Mom?
Wayne wants me to put my hand in here, guys. Do you see this? It's an alligator. He's very big. I think Wayne should put his foot in there and walk in there. Do you think Wayne should walk in there? No. That is a tricolor heron or a blue heron. He might fly.
Look, there's another really big one in the water over there. Yeah, you see it? It looks like a log too. Do you want to get down?
Here's more alligators, Sam. What do you say, alligators? There's a lot of them in the waters here. Right, Wayne?
Yeah. He's keeping his eye on that bird.
Uh-oh. Did you hear what Wayne said? Tell him again, Wayne.
The gator is keeping his eye on that bird.
The gator's keeping his eye. Oh, look how close they are. The gator's watching the bird. Now, if you look around here, this is where some of God's birds come in nature. And they make nests up in these trees. And we get pictures of the baby birds in these trees. Wayne and I. See? He's on a nest. And there's black one on the nest. Here's one up top. They're all over. If you watch, you might see some fly. And here's a pretty one just standing there next to us. He's kind of like Hillel. Hillel is a preschooler, and this bird is like a toddler. He's not a newborn chick, but he's not an adult. He's a toddler bird. But he looks like he's a very good bird, doesn't he? He's very calm, very nice. Look up here. Oh, here's a bird. What kind is he? I think he might be a dove. Look over here. There's two birds in a tree.
Fighting.
Oh. See, they have to not fight. Even with birds, they stop fighting. They have to be nice.
Alright, let's move on.
Okay, Wayne said we're going to move on. Wayne, say see ya.
See you later
Wayne.
from Florida.
Thank you, Wayne.